The following divine names can be grouped together. Allah the Exalted is Al-Khaliq, which means the Creator, Al-Baari, which means the Maker, and Al-Musawwir, which means the Fashioner. The Creator is the one who brings something into existence. In reality, there is no Creator except Allah the Exalted, as He is the only one who creates without any aid from another. On the other hand, an inventor only invents things through the aid of Allah the Exalted. Chapter 37 SWT, verse 96. While Allah created you and that which you do, the Maker is the one who arranges all of the creation and prepares them for receiving the forms He has chosen for them, which is linked to the next divine name mentioned earlier, namely, the Fashioner. The Creator makes things manifest. The Maker chooses their shape, appearance, and time of creation. The Fashioner fashions the creation according to His divine will. After understanding these divine names, a Muslim must trust Allah the Exalted in all situations. If Allah the Exalted created and manages the entire universe, He is more than capable in sorting out a person's problems. In addition, these names indicate that Allah the Exalted is the one who creates and chooses all things. So a Muslim should not challenge the choice of Allah the Exalted, as this leads to nothing except disappointment. It is therefore better to submit obediently and patiently await relief, knowing that Allah the Exalted only decrees the best for His servants, even if this wisdom is not obvious to them. As a Muslim is short-sighted, it is better to trust in the Creator whose wisdom has no limits. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.